welcome back to my channel. This is Ahviworld. Today I'm going to show us how to make a rope purse. With this purse, you could make a big bag. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, don't forget to do that. Let's get started. Here are the materials needed for the rope purse: my tape, a pair of scissors, and the rope itself. As you can see, it's not very thick. There are two types. One is very thick, but I decided to use this because this is the one required for the purse. Now I'm using two different colors. You are free to use whichever color you want. You may decide to use one color all through or use two different ones as you want. So I'm going to use these two bundles. It will just be enough for the purse. Let's go straight to the measurements. I'm simply going to measure 3 yards each for the whole rope. I'll measure them 3 yards till the rope is finished. Remember, I have 36 inches inside 1 yard. I'm going to take them two like this by tying them up. It's not the regular way of tying, mind you. I'm simply going to form a cross like this by placing one over the other. Then hold the two middle, place the left hand side on top of the middle, then take the other side, that's my right hand side, and place over it and pass it through the back. It comes out from this left hand side. There's a loop there. You bring it out from there. Then hold the two sides and pull it together. Then hold the middle and pull down. You have this. If you want to have a clearer view, kindly turn your phone upside down. You understand better. I'm simply repeating it again. Holding the middle like this, placing one over the other in form of a cross like this. Place the left hand side on top of the middle. You have this pattern. Then place the right hand over it at this very point. Let it go in from here. Then it comes out of this place like this. I bring it out here. Then hold the two sides and pull it across. Then hold the middle, the knot, and pull down. Repeat this process till I have the required number I want. Then I'll start joining them together by taking them one after the other. Mind you, after time, you know they're going to form 4. So I'm going to take 2 from one side and 2 from the other side. Then I'll start with left hand side and end at the right hand side. You could start with the right, whichever you want. Just watch the way I'm going to do it. Now you see, I pick 2 from this side. Mind you, I'm not picking the 2 at the middle, the 2 from the sides. Pick 2 from here and pick 2 from the other side. Place one over the other and do it like this. Then I will repeat it again for the right hand side. Remember, the first one we did was just 1. This time around is 2. I'm not repeating this again. If you do the left the first time, you are going to do the right the next time. So don't make the mistake of repeating the left because it won't even form anything. I repeated the process till I have a circle. Then I'm going to start the same process again by taking 2, removing 1 from it, leaving 2 at the middle, and forming the same tying method the way we did it before till I go round this circle 3 times. You could go as much as 4 times depending on how big you want the bag to be. I'm just going to go around 3 times. Can you see that? When I start with the left, I end with the right.
This is Ahviworld. This is Ahviworld.
Here's the outcome after going around 3 times. Now I'm simply going to start the next design now by taking them in fours. Then I will wrap 2 around my 4 fingers left hand side, passing the right hand under, then place this left on top of it and it comes out from here. Then you hold the 2 round shape, then pull it sideways to have a figure 8. Now I'm going to repeat the process again. Watch closely. I wrap it around like this, then pass it from under my 4 fingers like this, then take this left hand side and remove that right hand side rope and let it come out from the right loop like this. And I'll hold again, pull aside and have my figure 8 showing. The moment you have your figure 8 showing, you just know that you are in line. I'll repeat 2 2 once, then go over to 4 4 like this. I wrap the 4 around my 4 fingers, then pass it under, place the left over the right, then pull the right rope that is flying there through the right loop and pull it inside. Then hold the 2 up to have your figure 8 showing. The moment you have your figure 8, then you know you are doing the right thing. Here's it again. Wrapping it around my 4 fingers, pulling it out, placing it over and removing this right hand side rope over the right loop. We'll repeat this process again for as many times as I want till I have the desired size I want. For this pulse, I'm going to repeat it 6 times.
This is Ahviworld. This is Ahviworld.
You can see the outcome. I have them in group of 8, 4 4 close to each other like this. Then I'm simply going to wrap the first 4 around my 4 fingers left hand side, then pass the right through the under of my left, place the left on top and bring it out like this, as simple as ABC. Then I will have my figure 8 showing on top. I will just pull it and make sure it's firm. I place my hand at the middle to make sure I flatten it up. Now repeat it till I have this outcome. If you want a big bag, it's going to definitely be more than that. So thereafter, I will go back to 4 4. That means I will take 2 on both sides and repeat that same process, whereby I will turn the left and end at the right. You remember that process at the beginning, so I will end with that. Maybe I can do that for about 2 or 3 times, depending on what I want. Thereafter, I will just pick them up in fours, then simply tie it like this.
This is Ahviworld.
Then I will burn it with a candle. You could use a lighter if you have one. Ensure that there is water close to you so you can always dip your hand inside, because this thing is very hot. This is the outcome after burning. Then I simply take one of the rope and use it to sew the down part, the place I burn. You could use needle, a big needle. Then I'll attach my lining like this, cut exact size of this and attach the lining. I also went a step ahead to attach button to it so I could always button it. You can place your phone in it. Our purse is ready. You can see how simple it is, very lovely. If you find this video very inspiring, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and stay tuned for more videos. Bye from Ahviworld.